Here is the Register of Chinese Immigrants to Canada. It comes out pretty small, so the first thing I do is change the view down here in the lower right. I'll make it quite large so you can see. There's a lot of information in this file, and as noted, it has 97,000 rows. I find it easier to use filters and freezing to manipulate the spreadsheet to make it easier, and that's what I'm going to show you first. Let's add a frozen top row. A frozen top row means that when you move the data, you don't lose the headlines. So we're going to go to Home, and under View, freeze the top row. Now with the top row frozen, it doesn't matter how far down, we won't lose our header. Secondly, we're going to add filters. To add a filter, click the top row, go to Home, over here under Sort and Filter, click the down arrow and click the filter. Now there will be a little drop down box right beside each of the column heads. I will show you in a sec what I do with that. Now what we've done is we've frozen the top row and we've added a filter. Now, filters are additive, which means that when you add a filter and then you add another filter, you'll get increasingly less results. If that doesn't make any sense, don't worry, I'll show you. So, an easy way to look at this would be, for example, to look at registration year. If we click the down arrow and we get this box, which is, you can select any of the years that have been recorded. Let's just say, for example, I only want the year 1900. Now, what we have is a spreadsheet that shows only 4,691 of the total 97,000 records. That's great, except 4,691 is still a lot of entries. And so let's just say I'm looking for my great-grandmother, Mrs. Yip Zhang, and she's a woman. So let's check off female and blanks, because we don't know if blanks are male or female. So I've added a second filter, and what we now have is 28 of 90,000 records. And here we can find Mrs. Yip Zhang at row 33,607.